Hello my friends, my name is Richard Weberg. For those of you who do not know me, in today's video we're going to continue with the series How to Make $10,000 per month in Affiliate Marketing as a Beginner. And in today's video for the series, we're going to cover the way to copy our emails for affiliate marketing. And we're also going to go over one other thing, which is the 100K roadmap. So first off, if you're landing on this video for the first time and you haven't watched the other videos in the series, all you got to do is click on my name below the video. Any video you land on in the series, just click on my name and then it'll take you to the channel, and you just scroll down and you'll see the series How to Make $10,000 per month in Affiliate Marketing as a Beginner. You click on play all, just like this, and what will happen is this first video will play and all the other videos will be in order from the top down. You just go one by one to follow the series, so you can literally do as we do on our screen and learn how to make $10,000 per month as an affiliate marketer as a beginner. Now the other part of that is, in yesterday's video I showed how to broadcast an email, because as the system works, you are literally going to start doing email marketing without knowing how to do email marketing, because the system is so fantastic at helping you with just a couple clicks set up a full campaign and a professional autoresponder. And the company has written the autoresponder emails, the follow-up ones for you, and those follow-up emails go out automatically, literally without you knowing how to do email marketing. When you share your lead capture pages that I show you how to do in the series and how the system shows you, you will literally get leads and they will start getting those follow-up emails without you ever even logging into the professional autoresponder again. But along the way, you're going to learn how to broadcast emails. In the last video, I showed you how to broadcast an email. And so in the description underneath any video, normally what I do is you just click on more underneath any one of these videos. You'll find Affiliate Mentor, the link to join, and then you'll have all this other information underneath here. But a lot of times I'll put email swipes in there. But what is better than doing that? So instead of me putting email swipes, single email swipes when I'm showing you how, I would rather have you be able to get all of the email swipes, or any of our emails that you want to copy or steal parts of. Because affiliate marketing, that's how I learned to become a good email marketer, is I copied other people's emails and used parts of them but made them my own. And if that totally applied that I could use the whole works because it wasn't using personal information or that, sometimes I just copied the whole works. And that's how you learn to write great emails sometimes. So if you're on our email list that is part of Affiliate Mentor, you're literally going to get every single email that we broadcast out. And what you can do is save them in a folder in your email provider that you choose to save, subscribe with and save the emails into. So I'm going to leave a link. The top link, normally is to join us in Affiliate Mentor. So if you haven't yet, but I'm going to leave a link to the lead capture page, one of them from Affiliate Mentor, that are done for you. And just go ahead and put in your email address. Yes, get immediate access. And what will happen is you'll be brought to join us in Affiliate Mentor, which I'd encourage you to do. But also you're going to start to get all of the follow-up emails Affiliate Mentor has put in place for us in our autoresponder. And then you're going to also get all of our broadcast emails. So make sure you create the folder for it. If first email goes to spam or promotions, take it out. The emails have been inboxing really well, and we've been doing email marketing a long time. They've been inboxing like crazy, and that's amazing because the deliverability has been super high. You don't have to worry about that if you're a complete beginner and know nothing about that. Just find the email that you get from Affiliate Mentor from our campaign, and once you get it, create a folder for it, save it somewhere where you can save all of our emails. And every time then when I do a how-to video about sending specific emails to your email list, you will have already gotten those emails and you can copy and use them to send out, because that's what we do. I show you on the screen how to send broadcast, literally step by step, and you just watch and do as I do on the screen. So if you get every one of our emails, I do not have to put them then in the description, because also with YouTube, they only allow so many characters that you can have in your description. So if I start putting email swipes in there, it's getting way too long. It may end up I might not be able to put them all in there. And this way you get all of our emails, which you are free to use to market with. And this is really important. And I'm glad that I thought of this instead of usually I used to put them always in the description of YouTube. So that's the first thing. And then the last thing here real quick is, Affiliate Mentor has launched their, I'm going to go to Affiliate Mentor here, has launched their 100K roadmap that fits perfectly into the video series that I'm doing, because Affiliate Mentor is a system that we're using and that I'm teaching you to make over $10,000 a month with. But Affiliate Mentor also launched their 100K roadmap, which is fabulous because there's all kinds of things that will be going on to help you get from step A to step B to step D. I mean, this company is amazing in that they truly believe in mentorship. And so they are super active in the, our Facebook group for Affiliate Mentor, which you'll join once you join, us in the business and the system. And you will be able to join. You'll get a welcome email from us that we'll send you, plus the company and the steps has the Facebook group, and they go live all of the time. They do webinars, and this whole 100K roadmap is a huge part of that. And you can see right here, when you actually get inside your Affiliate Mentor back office, you'll land on start here. You'll do some simple steps if you haven't already. But then this core here, you click on this core, and you'll go to core training. And in here, you'll see the different videos that as they launch the system, they'll keep putting more and more training, more and more information in here for you. And then you just go to the training number 5 here, 100K roadmap, and you can click on this and you're going to see what they have came up with as to the whole process of this, which is absolutely fantastic. And to kick that 100K roadmap off, there are certain things like, let me see where I put this, badges that are milestones along the way. As you can see, we've already reached founder, starter, builder, mentor, and rising star. And our next rank will be 1-star ambassador, which we are that close to being already. And then 2-star, 3-star, and it keeps going to 5-star ambassador. Well, you'll have made over $100,000 in commissions. And a lot of these commissions are recurring, some are one-time commissions, but the system is amazing and will literally walk you through, with our help as well, and the mentorship provided by the company and in the group, to reach this 5-star ambassador and be making over $100,000 from Affiliate Mentor. And how you, like I said, how you get here. If you want to get to the rank and badges to see them, you're basically, the top menu. There's always another menu underneath when you click on any of these top menus. So you click on commissions and stats, then you click on rank and badges. But the other one I want you to be able to be aware of is contest, because they've launched a contest and they will have contests along the way, but their contests are different. It's just not whoever makes the most sales gets all of the winnings and wins the contest. They are literally motivating you to do the exact things that will be necessary for you to succeed, and that will help you achieve every one of these ranks along the way, so that you can make $100,000 from the Affiliate Mentor system. And they're called daily disciplines. And this is the contest here. Like I said, you just click on commissions and stat. You can see the ranks and badges. Click on contest. It opens in another tab. And then daily disciplines, scoreboard, prizes, how to earn points. And you'll see there are daily disciplines that some of them are automatic when they happen. Like when you make a sale, you will get points for that. But you'll also get points for other things. And that's going to encourage you to do all of the things that we do as successful affiliate marketers, leaders in the industry. You're going to learn exactly our mode of operation, because this company, they are experts at all of this stuff as well. And their mode of operation is basically the same things that we would do without a system. And you will learn that and be able to come back here and click on complete action, and you will get the points. And then you will show up eventually on this scoreboard. The more points you get, and they're basic things. You're gonna, like, get a lead today. Okay, get one lead. They don't make them hard, because they want you to learn all of the basics and be building your email list and doing all of the things it takes to be successful. And they give away great prizes. Here's prizes here. 70-inch Insignia 4K UHD smart TV. That's this 30 days what they're giving away. Second place, Lenovo V15 laptop, 30 gigabyte RAM, Intel Celeron. Third place, Barista Coffee Espresso Lower Barista Machine by Philips. Fourth place, Bose Flex Bluetooth speaker. Fifth place, Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones. So you can strive in your business, and that's going to help get you to 10K faster, because of the fact that you're following along, you're doing the daily disciplines, you're attending the webinars and the lives in the group, and when they email them out as well, you can attend the Zoom meetings, and you can plot your way through this 10K roadmap or 100K roadmap. And that goes, like I said in the beginning, the goals with my video series to teach you how to take Affiliate Mentor to over 10K a month. It's an all-encompassing system, but with my help, my son's help, the video series, the mentorship through us, through the company, they are super engaged. And this is the last thing I'm going to show you real quick. In Affiliate Mentor Facebook group, I'm in there right now. You can see I just posted 2 hours ago. Gotta love getting more sales. Affiliate Mentor rocks. Keep feeding the machine. That's what I call feeding the machine. Getting leads. Keep feeding the machine leads. Once you start building your email list, you never stop. You just keep getting leads and more leads and more leads. Remember, it's the only push button profits that exist online, because as your list gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, that's why you never stop. That's the asset you always protect. The thing you keep doing. That's how you build multiple income streams. That is how you get free. That is how you make 6 figures a year online, 7 figures, 8 figures a year online. The most successful marketers that rock leaderboards, this company's different. They reward you for doing just the daily task it takes to be successful and build your email list, because they want other people to be successful. So they have difference to their contests, but other contests in affiliate marketing just normally reward you for sales only. And usually who crank that leaderboard are only the people who go and just get oodles of sales. But those people who always win those contests, we know, because we've won many contests in affiliate marketing, cash prizes, you name it. We've been on the top of leaderboards all the time. How do we do it in multiple programs? Because we build our list. That is the only push button, because the more your list gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the more influence you have instantly by sending an email. Okay? And that's what we're teaching you all throughout this whole process, and so is Affiliate Mentor. And that's why we get sales a lot, because, so we just made $220 from these 2 sales that I posted in here, because they encourage us to encourage other people and to show proof of how the system is working. So everybody, you also get points for doing that. See, you make a sale, no matter how small it is, you take a snapshot, you can post it in the group. You'll get points for that. And the other thing is, we made another $300 today from because the traffic or Affiliate Mentor is commissionable, and we got several sales notifications that haven't been posted yet. You can see one post right here. That's my post. I forgot about those, but we literally made over $500 so far today, and the day isn't even over, because this system absolutely works. And again, this just launched, so if you're seeing this for the first time, you can see there's only 100 members in this group. Why? Because Affiliate Mentor just launched in February, and it's just getting going. Now, the company is not new. The company has been in business for years and has paid millions of dollars to affiliates just like you, just like me, and anybody else. Literally. This is a brand new system that they launched, and it is absolutely amazing. And it's why we jumped on board, because it teaches beginners. It teaches people with no experience how to do the right things that make money online. And as time goes on, this group will fill up with more and more members that are joining in the system. There are more people who have joined than 100 that have joined the Facebook group. Not everybody takes the motivation to join the Facebook group, which I don't understand that. You want to be part of a group. You get the mentorship. There's, like I said, the lives, the camaraderie, everything else that goes along with being part of the group, the whole as a team, as a company, and getting to know other network marketers. That's another key to success in marketing. But again, we're not the only one. Here's some new members got welcome today, but or is this sales? No, these were new members. And then here's Todd McCart. He just got a $500 cycle bonus today. Amazing. Hats off to you, Todd. And again, these are the kind of things that come in. Here's where J. Joshua Bestel came in, did a live Zoom training replay. This got posted, but he does amazing lives and Zooms for us. You're going to learn a lot from him alone. And this is just part of the system. I can keep scrolling down here, people reporting commissions, the company reporting people that just made their first commissions and stuff like that. And you're going to see a ton of that once you join the group, because it's just going to keep growing and growing as the word gets out about Affiliate Mentor and how it's helping complete beginners and newbies start making money and learn how to master this stuff to become a pro at it and make 6 and 7 figures a year. So other than that, my friends, I will see you on the next video, and have a great day.